Welcome to Best Car Fixes. We have Ford Transit 2015, and the problem is that the airbag light is on. So we are here trying to figure out if we can do something on it. Okay, so nothing bad, but okay. Well, is this one here now? Let me see. Let's try to see what happened here. I'm gonna use IDS as usual. Why is freezing? But I will wait a little bit. Stay with us. Okay, my Ford is not good, so for diagnosis tool is not working. I don't know why. So yes.
It's not customer call you about ML.
Okay, I'm trying to get the VIN number on the internet. It's supposed to communicate. Just give him some time. If it's not, we have to check here. This is good. Yes, now I see something. A beep. You gotta do a lot of stuff sometimes. Those things when they don't work. Okay, let me see what is there. No communication. Maybe I have to update it because it has a lot of update. Now it looks something, I believe. I see the VIN number. Okay, here is the Transit Connect. So yes, I need only one tools. I need my airbag to know what's wrong. Diagnose, control unit, SRS, RCM, that's what the name of it, read codes. To communicate with it. If no communication, that means there is a problem. But if there is a communication, we have ability to look at it and see what happened. Stay with us, please. Wow, crash event storage full unlocked. Driver side curtain deployment. Wow, passenger side curtain crash event storage. Driver side curtain, passenger side curtain. Wow, so what we need to do, we have to go and unlock this system, clear the crash data if we can do it by OBD-II. So if you don't do that, you will not be able to do anything. So we know what's wrong. So the module itself is already crash locked. So you have to take the ABS module, the airbag control module out, clear the crash data, and put it back, and then you look at the driver side curtain and the passenger side curtain. There's two. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share. This is the curtain. The location of it is there, and we're supposed to have one here. I want to know if it's still there or no curtain. You see? Oh, there is one. They change it. Let me see, let me put light. See if it's still good or it's gone. It's ripped. So there is no airbag. See? Yeah, curtain airbag missing. Driver airbag missing. Okay, so we have two. We have the curtain airbag are not. two curtain airbags are not good. The crash data have to be removed, and then we go from there. Wow. Stay with us, please. But we already know what's wrong in this car.